Most people believe wealth comes from working harder, earning more, and saving what's left, but that belief is exactly what keeps them stuck. Because time is limited. And if money only comes when you work, your income will always have a ceiling. The wealthy understand something different. They don't focus on earning money, they focus on building systems that generate money. Instead of trading hours for income, they create assets. Assets that work, assets that grow, assets that pay them whether they're working or not. This is the shift from effort to leverage, from income to ownership, from working for money to having money work for you. Wealth isn't about how hard you grind, it's about how intelligently you design your income. Once you understand this, you stop asking, how can I make more money? And start asking, how can I build something that makes money without me? But here's the truth most people never hear. You don't need more time, you need better structure. Because the difference between someone who stays stuck and someone who builds wealth isn't effort, it's direction. The average person increases income and increases expenses with it. The wealthy increase income and convert it into assets. They turn active income into passive systems, step by step. First, they learn a skill that can generate income. Then they use that income to build or acquire assets. Assets like businesses, digital products, or investments that continue producing value over time. And with every asset they build, their dependence on time decreases. This is how freedom is created. Not in one big moment, but through small, intentional decisions repeated consistently. So the solution is simple, but not easy. Stop focusing only on earning. Start focusing on building. Build something that scales. Build something that lasts. Build something that works, even when you don't. Because real wealth begins the moment your money no longer depends on your time, and that's the moment you stop chasing income and start creating freedom.